All right, cross country and Brady. We're on 14 for the review. We got lots to do today. Lots to do. Let's see how far we get. Okay, 14. Simplify. We have a fraction. We're not doing any operations, no multiply, no divide, no add, subtract, do anything. We're just reducing and doing all the things, right? So the top is a what?
Simple trinomial.
Nope. Difference of squares. He is x plus 3, x minus 3. Okay, the bottom is a simple trinomial. Multiply to get 21, add to get 4.
13.
No. 7 and 3, x minus 7 plus 3. Okay, and then we can cancel. And so final answer, x minus 3, x minus 7. Can you cancel these two x's?
No.
No, because they're trapped. That's it. What are you doing? That's A. Good? B. Woo!
Take a 2 out.
Man, oh man. All right, we got some trapped stuff here because it's minuses and pluses, so we're going to take a 2 out. So this is like a GCF one, right? 2 parentheses z minus y. On the bottom, what shall we do?
Multiply by 3. Break them up.
Factor by grouping. Do. What's going to come out of the first? X, and left is
4.
y minus z. And on the other one, take out a 3, and left is y minus z. And my two pieces are going to be
X plus 3, y minus
x plus 3, y minus z.
But
Oofda.
could you like take a negative out and then make
Yeah, which one do you want to take a negative out?
y minus.
Should we take a negative out of the top one to make that negative 2?
Yeah.
Right? Can we do that? So this will be negative 2 times. It'll be negative z plus y, right? If I take a negative out. So y minus z on the top. Okay, so there's that. And then we've got x plus 3, and we've got a y minus z on the bottom. You see what we just did? Instead of taking 2 out, we'll take negative 2 out. Y minus z is going to cancel. Anything else cancel?
No.
Nope. Negative 2 over x plus 3. Beautiful.
What?
Beautiful. I need to sneeze, but I can't.
Bless you.
All right, there we go.
Whoa.
15?
Whoa.
You're going too slow, child. Come on.
Don't call me child, please.
All right, 15. Multiply or divide. This one's multiply, so we just leave it alone, except we are going to break stuff down. If we can. Will 3a to the 5th be to the 7th break down?
Yes, you can. The 3 and the 12. You can't.
Right
do
now.
You can't do anything to break him individually down, right? Yeah. This guy, will he break down? Yes. Take a 2. A minus 5b. Yeah? Okay, let's go this bottom left piece. Will he break down? No. Will this guy break down?
Yeah.
No. I'm going to start canceling things. So I'm going to cancel the a minus 5b and the a minus 5b. And what else?
The 2.
I'm going to do the 3 and the 12 is 1 and 4. Okay, now before we get it to be too messy, I'm going to clean everything up.
Take the 2 and
Multiply by
the 4.
2.
I'm going to clean everything up. So what do we have left on the top? 2 and a to the 5th, b to the 7th. Before I start cancel, like I could cancel them more, but I'm a little messy. So let's just clean up. On the bottom, we have 4, a to the 4th, b to the 10th. Now we can simplify, right?
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2, so 1 and 2, right? 1 and 2. A's,
A goes on the top.
1a left on top. B's, 3 on bottom. That's it.
2.
You don't have to have the 1 with the a. You could just do a over 2b cubed. That's fine. But if you cannot understand your little tick marks, all that stuff, I highly suggest doing a step where you just clean everything up and then do one more further step from there. Got it? I agree. B, all of these are trapped. All of these are trapped and you're dividing. Okay, but all these are trapped. So this first one is a difference of squares, Casey says. So let's do this. I'm going to keep flip, and I'm going to break down at the same time. Can I do that? So this guy, x squared minus 64 is x plus 8, x minus 8, right? Okay, the one right below him is a simple trinomial. Multiply to get 8, add to get negative 2. Yep, x minus 4, x plus 2, right? Yeah? Okay, now I'm going to do this top one. He is also a simple trinomial, but I'm putting him on the bottom, right? Multiply to get 16, add to get 6.
Negative 2 and 8.
Negative 2 and 8. X plus 8, x minus 2. Okay, now this guy, what do I do with that?
Take a 2 out.
I'm going to take a 2 out. I'm going to do it over here. If I take a 2 out, I have x squared minus 4, which is a difference of squares now. So I have the 2 that I took out, right? And now I've got 2 little pieces. X plus 2x minus 2. Are we doing okay so far?
Yep.
So I flipped him, right? And I broke everything down, and now we just cancel, right? Okay, I've got an x plus 8, and I canceled with an x plus 8.
You got x minus 2.
I've got x minus 2 and x minus 2. I've got an x plus 2 and an x plus 2. You can cancel out as long as one's on the top and one's on the bottom. Doesn't matter if it's diagonally or one on top of the other. Anything else I can cancel.
No.
Can I cancel this 8 and this 4?
No.
No, because they're trapped. So what do you have left on top?
2x.
2 times x minus 8. If you want to distribute it back through, you can. You don't have to, though. And then x minus 4 on the bottom. That's all. Okay, happy with that?
Can we get a note card to write notes on?
Yeah. We will do that sometime.
Sweet.
Tomorrow?
Actually, probably tomorrow. I don't know that we'll finish this
Are we
review.
testing
We'll
on
see. We'll
Wednesday?
see.
Yeah, we got
I want to take a test tomorrow, but I don't think we're going to get to test tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see. And they have FLC tomorrow.
But
All right.
not that many
We'll see.
on.
We'll see. We'll see.
You're going to FL.
We're just wearing our
No,
optional
no.
dress slacks, right?
I'm just saying there's like stuff going on in the next couple days. So,
Yeah, but I don't have a black, or I don't have a color right now.
okay, 16, add or subtract. What's the rule when adding or subtracting?
The bottoms have to be the same.
Zip. Common denominator,
Oh.
right? Common denominator. Okay, what's my common denominator going to be out of these two?
2x squared y to the
2x squared y to the fifth and 2x squared y to the fifth.
I don't want to do this.
I'm sorry.
Neither do I.
And then I got a 9 and I got an 11. Okay, and I got this guy and I got this guy. All right. Are we doing okay so far?
9y.
What does he need?
a y.
He just needs a y. What does the 11 need?
A 2x
A
squared.
2 and an x. He's already got an x, right? Okay. So this is 9y plus a 22x.
Yeah.
Can those go together?
No.
No. Can I cross my bottoms out?
Yes.
No.
No, because there's not an equal.
There's no equal sign. Only when there's an equal sign can you cross the bottoms out. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Okay. So I have to leave the bottom. The bottom is 2x squared y to the fifth. And on the top, 9y plus 22x. Can I cancel like this x with one of those?
No.
Can I do that? Why not?
It's trapped.
The bottom one's not,
The top one.
but the top one is,
Because of the plus.
right? So there is that. He's done. Good, good?
You always be trying to bait us to guess it all.
I know, because I'm trying to play devil's advocate so that when that thought crosses your brain on the test, you're like, oh no, because we talked about that, right?
Oh, it's still gonna happen.
'Kay.
Don't you worry.
Sure. Okay, first things first.
Common denominator.
Distribute the negative. And then find a common denominator. Okay. I'm going to break my top down, or my bottoms down over here. Multiply to get 5, add to get 6. 5 and 1. Be careful with your combinations of 5s and 6s, because if the 6 was over here and the 5 was over here, it would be 2 and 3, right? But because it's that way, I know. He messes me up too. Yeah. Same thing with like 24s. 24 screw me up. 24's got a lot of... I multiply to get 10, add to get 7. I'm going to guess one of them is a 5.
2 and 5.
5 and 2. Yep. Okay. So my common denominator, how many pieces does my common denominator have?
3.
3. I know I need an x plus 5. I know I need an x plus 1. I know I need an x plus 5, but I already got one. And I know I need an x plus 2. So there's my 3 pieces. Okay, some of you guys don't write it out, and that's totally fine. But can I cross my bottoms out?
No.
No, there's no equal sign. All right, so I've got a 4, and I've got a negative 3, and I got to multiply what he needs. Needs. Okay. What does the 4 need? He needs an x plus 2. What does the 3 need? X plus 1, right? Okay, now I'm going to distribute.
Minus.
So this right here is 4x plus 8 minus 3x
Minus 3.
minus 3. Yeah?
Combine.
Okay. On the top, I have an x plus 5. Oh, boy. And on the bottom, I've got an x plus 5. Because 4x minus 3x is x. 8 minus 3 is 5. Yeah? Bottoms, I've got that, and that, and that. And if you give me that answer, I'll probably say that's fine. I don't care.
But you should
But
cancel and put a
you
1.
should cancel the x plus 5s out, so your final answer is x squared. No, not x squared. X plus 1, x plus 2.
Is that a ball?
With a
One.
1 on. What? That's a whole. Add -5.
Because you can take
The other two are raws, yep.
Because you can take it out.
Because you can take it out.
A removable
A rem-
discontinuity.
Yeah, a removable discontinuity as a whole. Yes. Very good.
That's the only thing I remember.
Yeah, my calculus kids. 17 is rationalizing. Some with i's, some with square roots, right? Okay. We hate square roots on the bottom.
You're gonna do it anyway.
How do I get the square root out of the bottom? Times by what?
Discriminant.
Reciprocal, no.
When he's just one piece, I can just take him times the square root of x.
Oh, yeah.
Times 1.
I don't have to do a negative.
You just times.
Because then the negatives will end up canceling. So I'm just going to do times the square root of x. What's 7 times the square root of x?
7 square root.
7 square roots of x. What's the square root of x times the square root of x?
X.
This is the square root of x squared, which is just x, right? Now is he good? Now he is good. Okay? B, now that I have a 5 plus the square root of 3,
You have to take it times.
I have to do the conjugate. 5 minus the square root of 3 and 5 minus the square root of 3. Okay? So on the top, I'm going to distribute the 4 through.
It's not -5 minus 3.
Because your FOIL, like your conjugate, has to be just the opposite sign of the radical. Yeah, otherwise your O and your I will cancel, but other things won't
So if it was
cancel.
3 plus 5, it'd have to be the square root of 3 minus 5.
Technically it would be negative square root of 3 plus 5. Yeah. Even if he's written like that. To technically be true conjugates. In calc we do some weird stuff, but just as long as he cancels. All right, if I distribute that top through, 4 times 5 is 20. What's 4 times the square root of 3?
4 minus.
Negative 4 square roots of 3, right? Make sure that negative goes there. Okay, now the bottom. 5 times 5 is 25. I'm going to write the whole thing out so that if you're looking back at this and you're like, where did that go? 5 times negative square root of 3 is negative 5 square roots of 3. Positive 5 square roots of 3, and those are going to cancel.
Square them both.
Right. What is the square root of 3 times negative square root of 3?
3.
Negative square root of 9, which is 3. Okay, my OI cancels out, so I've got 20 minus 4 square roots of 3 all over 22. Anything else? I can divide everything by 2, right? Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. So I've got 10 minus 2 square roots of 3 all over 11.
What?
Beautiful.
Oh.
Good? Happy with that?
Damn, we're smart.
All right, C.
I.
Ooh, what am I multiplying by?
4.
Which one's the problem?
-4 plus.
The bottom.
The bottom's the problem. Don't even worry about the top. So, how do I get rid of the 5i on the bottom? Times, is it negative 5i or positive 5i?
Negative
Just
25
itself,
under
because
the
it's-
square root.
If we just do 5i,
It'll square
if we
itself.
do negative 5i, it's just you're gonna end up canceling the negatives with each other. So I don't even worry about the negative, right? Okay?
You have to do like I square root of 25.
Yeah.
It'd be 25. I
So I'm gonna back distribute him. What's negative 4 times 5i?
Negative 20 I.
Negative 20i. Okay? What's 5i times 3i?
15i.
15i squared, but I squared is negative 1, so that will make negative 15, right? Okay? I'm going to fix him just over here, and I'm going to put the negative 15 first. So negative 15 minus 20i. Can I do that? Yeah? Okay? All right, what is 5i times another 5i?
25 I.
25i squared, which makes him
Negative 25.
negative 25. So I got negative 25 now. All right, now, can we simplify?
-5 now.
Let's divide everything by negative 5. Okay? So if I divide 15 by negative 5, he is positive 3. If I divide negative 20i by negative 5, he is positive 4i. If I divide negative 25 by negative 5, he is 5.
Cinco.
If you need to put that down there.
So we just
How about that? 3 plus 4i divided by 5. Did I successfully get rid of the I in the bottom?
Nope.
I would, as soon as you are done with all of those problems, look and say, did I get rid of the junky stuff in the bottom? Did I do that here? Did I do that here? Did I do that here? And if you still have a, square root in the bottom, then you didn't do it right. Got it? Okay. Yeah. Top of the next page. Solve.
No. Well, if I just say no.
A. Here's my equal sign. What shall we do?
Move everything to one side.
Let's distribute first. Let's get our distributed. So, negative 6v plus 12 plus 3 equals 9 minus v minus 4, because we're distributing that -1 that's there, right? Okay. We have 3 pieces on the left and 3 pieces on the right. Let's simplify just the pieces. Negative 6v plus 15 equals negative v plus 5. All right, now what should we move? What do you want to move?
Move the
Subtract the
6v.
5 over.
Move the 6v.
I'm going to add the 6v over first. Can I do that? I like to get my v's together. Okay, but if I do that, I can do it all at the same time if you want. Let's subtract the 5 at the same time.
Yeah.
So I've got 10 equals
5v.
5v and v equals, sorry, not much room. You can do it up to the side.
2.
Why is it 3?
Not 3,
You
2,
don't wanna
because I
get-
can't math. I was just seeing if you were paying attention.
Flies.
You don't need to get everything
What?
that equals 0.
Nope. Only if you have like a square, like if you have a trinomial. Otherwise, you're just trying to get the variable on one side, the number on the other.
This is
Okay,
where the bottom
B.
cancel.
This is where the bottoms cancel because there's an equal sign, but I'm going to do this.
Their bottom needs to be
Plus minus plus, right? And I'm going to go plus -1 over 1. Okay, what's your common denominator going to be?
20.
No,
It can't
he's got to be
be a
20.
4.
He's got to be 20. 20, 20, 20, 20. Okay, I've got n plus 3. I've got negative n plus 2. I've got n plus 1 and -1 on the other side. I got to multiply by what they need. So this is kind of a big one.
5.
What are you going to multiply the first one by?
5.
5. What do you multiply the second by?
4.
4. Third guy?
2.
2. The last one? 20. Right? Are we doing okay so far? Yeah, yeah? Okay, all the 20s on the bottoms cancel.
Damn.
Whoop. Okay. All right, am I going too fast? No? Okay, distribute the 5 through. So 5n plus 15. Okay, minus 4n
Plus 8.
plus 8 equals 2n plus 2
Minus 20.
minus 20. Okay, am I going too fast?
N plus 23 equals
All right, I'm going to simplify all my stuff on this side. Yep, n plus 23 equals
2n minus 18.
2n minus 18. Got it?
Oh, it's 50.
Minus,
I'm going to subtract my n
add your 18.
and add the 18. 41 equals n. That was gross.
How did you get 23 up there?
Because 15 plus 8.
Oh, I have a minus 8.
It's hard doing that.
Okay, are we doing all right?
Ah,
Yeah, yeah?
you
'Kay.
knew it. We'd forget to do that.
Yeah. C. 2x minus 3 equals 4x minus 4 minus 1 minus 2x. The right side. Oy vey. 2x minus 3. He's just chilling. What on the right?
4x minus 4 minus 1 minus
2x minus 5. Oy vey.
Yeah, stop.
Wait, so this is
Minus 2x minus 2x. Negative 3 equals negative 5. When?
2. Never.
Never. No solutions. There's nothing that I can plug in there and have it be equal on both sides. Will not work. Yeah, yeah? That was C. Okay. D. Negative 5 plus 3x equals 3x minus 3 minus 2.
Minus 5.
Negative 5 plus 3x equals 3x minus 5.
It's an identity.
It's an identity, so
Same thing. Oh, it already.
all reals. It doesn't matter what I plug in for x, as long as I do it on the left and the right, it will end up being equal. Boom. Or you can say infinitely many solutions, whatever. Okay? Good, good? All right, now, these guys are talking about the square root property. Okay, so Trevor was just asking me, like, is it always the strategy to get 0 on one side? And I said, if you're dealing with a trinomial. On A, are we dealing with a trinomial?
No.
Even though we have something squared, it's not a trinomial. So I'm going to try to isolate the variable. So what are you going to do first? Oh, I'm going to add the 35 and then divide by 5. I'm going to add the 35 over. So 5y squared equals 35. Then I'm going to divide by 5. So y squared equals 7. And then what?
root.
Take the square root. So the answer is
Y equals square root.
Plus minus square root.
plus minus. Don't forget him. Don't forget him.
I will.
It's only
We
plus,
put the
minus,
square root
and
in there, plus minus the square root of 7. No I's. Okay?
It's not big.
That is A. This is like the square root property. Okay, now, B. Some people are going to try to foil that left. No, no.
Root.
No, no.
Times itself.
Take the square root. K plus 2 equals plus minus
Square root of
the square root of 28. Did you know what 28 is?
Wait, my one girl one?
No.
4
4 and 7, so it is
2 squared.
2 square roots of 7, right? Should we put him as 2 square roots of 7? If you put him on the test as the square root of 28, I'll take it. Like, whatever, it'll be fine. Okay? And then we minus 2. Can you take 2 away from that?
yeah, you put on the end.
Yeah, right? Like, I put them in the beginning. Right? But you can't subtract 2 from 2 square roots of 7, right? They have to be the same thing.
Ah, shit.
So I make him negative 2 plus minus 2 square roots of 7. Got it? You cannot subtract them. So you just write them together. Good, good? What was that?
Go.
All
How
right.
much Tylenol did your mom
Good.
take when you were 3 years old?
Obviously a lot.
That's going to be like the new diss. All right.
Guy.
Complete the square. Holy moly moly. Complete the square. Completing the square is like completing the blank.
11 and 2.
Woo! All right, y squared minus 22y. This is the only time that you have a trinomial and you
Don't care.
put the junk to the other side, right? So if I put the 4 to the other side, it is 4 plus blank, right? If I bump the 4 to the other side, this is the only time you do this when you have a trinomial. Only time. All right, I want this guy to break down into something so that I can write him like this squared, right? So I want to multiply to get this blank, but we don't know what that is, and add to get 22. Okay, there's a lot of combinations that add together to be 22, like 1 and 21, 2 and 20, 3 and 19, right? But I want the two numbers that are the same number that are going to add together to give me 22. And that is what? It's dividing by 2. It is y minus 11 and y minus 11, so I can do y minus 11 squared. Yeah, yeah? Now, if I do that, what's my blank number?
121.
121, because 11 times 11 is positive 121. So this is 121 here. And then that is 125. And that is 125. And then we do what we did in the last problem, which is take the square root, right? And the square root of 125 does not come out nicely, but he does break down. 125. 25 and 5. So he is
5 square
plus
root of
minus 5 square roots of 5, right?
Whoa. Can you go back?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah. Zoom out.
You gave us the
I did.
tiniest little space for
More.
the biggest problem.
More?
There you go.
What are you talking about? I'm sorry. I'm
Add the
Next
11.
review, put more
Sure.
space in it.
sure.
This thing is gonna be like.
Plus 11, y equals
It's not
I'd rather
right.
be that
11
than actually do the
plus
problem.
minus 5 square roots of 5.
Yeah.
Whoop.
It's like reading French.
Cornball up here.
That's pretty close.
What did you just
to,
call
You're fixing to get hurt over there, kid.
Oh.
What is a cornball?
I don't know.
It's like someone that doesn't make good jokes and thinks they're really funny.
You don't think I'm funny?
You don't think I'm funny?
Whatever. B. Oh. X squared plus 14x
No.
plus
You're mad.
blank equals 3 plus blank. All right, we're going to break this guy down into something that multiplies to get the blank, but when you add them, give you 14, and it is 7 and 7. So x plus 7 squared. Can I do that?
49.
And the blank is
49.
49 and 49, and that makes 52. And now we take the square root. So x plus 7 falls out. The square root of 52 breaks down into, like, I don't know, 4 and 13. So that is
2 and
plus minus 2 square roots of 13. Don't forget your plus minus. And then we subtract 7. So x equals negative 7 plus minus 2 square roots of 13. Boom, boom. Quadratic formula.
No.
Woo!
Why did you give us so many of this stupid one?
I don't know. I don't know.
Green.
I don't know.
Watch this
I don't know.
profile.
21. Solve using the quadratic formula. A, what's A? 1. B is -3. C is -7, of course. And negative B would be +3 plus minus square root. What's B squared? 9 minus 4 times 1 times -7 all over 2 times 1. What? Plus 28. 29 plus 28 is 3 plus minus the square root of
30
37.
over 2. What?
You have to add the 9.
All over 2. And 37 is prime. Yeah, yeah?
That's actually
Yo,
Yeah, yeah?
but it's equal to 0.
I hate the quad.
Oh, you want them equal to 0 so that you can solve for x. So like x is equal to that, right?
Oh.
Yeah, yeah. Right? X equals that. Yeah. 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 Yup. Because there's 2 answers there, right? That's the 2 places this parabola is going to cross, right?
This next
B.
one is stupid.
B is not ready. 0.4y squared
We barely have any room.
minus 2y plus 2.5 equals
Why?
0. A is 0.4. B is -2. C is 2.5. And then we have
Negative.
negative B is +2. Plus minus the square root of B squared is 4. Minus 4 times A times C. All over 2 times A. Okay, I know that 4 times 2.5 is 10, and 10 times 0.4 is 4. Wrong. So 2 plus minus the square root of 0 all over 0.8. And the square root of 0 is 0. And 2 divided by 0.8 is
5? Question
Oh, yeah, 5 halves.
5 halves. It'd be like 20 over 8, right? Which is 10 fourths, which is 5 halves.
How is it not -2?
Huh?
Wouldn't it be negative?
If we just
On the
left,
front? No, because we got to move this stuff to this side.
Oh, I moved it the other way.
if we just
Ah. But then your 0.4 would be negative on the bottom and your 2 negatives would cancel.
Oh, it's 0.4, not 0.2.
If we
Yeah.
just left it as 2 over 0.8, would you?
Sure.
Yeah, it's 5 halves.
Whatever.
I hate your answer. Why answer?
Sure. 5 halves. 2.5. 2 over 0.8. Whatever.
Out of time.
Yeah, yeah?
Oh, because it
Woo! Okay. All right. Ready? What time do we get out of here?
37.
No.
We have like oodles of time. We have like 15 minutes. We're still not going to get it done probably. Okay. All right. Strategy here. Solve. Real quick though.
Same bottom.
Real quick. We have to get the same bottom.
They're equal.
What can W not be?
W cannot be -3.
Nope. W can be -3. I can have 0 on the top.
Oh.
He just can't be 0. W can be 5, W can be -3. I can have 0 on the top all I want, but I cannot have 0 on the bottom. So if we get 0 as an answer,
Well, you
not
there
can
is no answer. Right?
Sort of.
Yeah? Okay. All right, this is over 1. What is my common denominator going to be? 4W. 4W, 4W, 4W. Whoop. 4W. Okay, W plus 3. It's so refreshing not having Brady here. He's not going to watch this video anyway, so he's not going to hear that I'm really excited about him not being here. Okay, what's the first one need?
1.
Nothing.
Nothing, or a 1. Second one needs? 4W. Third one needs? 4. Okay, bottoms cross off because there is an equal sign, true? Okay, W plus 3 plus 4W equals 4W minus 20. Ooh.
5W plus 3 equals 4W minus
5W plus 3 equals 4W minus 20. Well, minus.
Give the
W equals
just give
negative
it to
23.
and have W.
Okay, minus the 4W. I'm going to subtract the 3. minus 4w. So w equals negative 23. Can w equal negative 23? You betcha. Yeah. Okay? Was that too fast? How are we doing back there, girls? You're just plugging right along. Can we just give them a round of applause?
No.
I was grading papers yesterday, and I'm like, those two sophomore girls, they are just pulling through. I am totally impressed. I'm totally impressed with you two. If I don't say it, I'm totally impressed with you two. You guys do a very, very good job. But if I'm ever going too fast, say, whoa, whoa, whoa. Dylan says it like all the time anyway. So it doesn't matter. Brady doesn't even say whoa, whoa, whoa. He just like jumps in halfway
Brady
through
says-
and is
Brady
like, I
says-
don't know what's going on.
No,
So
Brady-
if you need me to slow down, please know that I will gladly do that for you. Okay?
No.
All right.
I have to print a new one every year.
B.
Oh.
What are you
this is
doing?
gonna be like a traveling trophy.
Yeah.
Looking at the trophy.
But it's not going to travel because everybody knows it's going to stay in this
No.
room. I think though we need to like print like vinyl or something to put on the bottom so that we can keep track of like
Who had
like
it?
2025 is juniors or
Maybe
wherever. I don't care.
The class of
Yeah,
2026.
whatever.
Big sticker on the bottom.
Not
Okay.
Juniors.
Juniors, right? Yeah, right.
This collection.
Okay, part B. Common denominator.
Just leave
Break
it
down.
But first thing,
You're right.
Plus 3.
plus minus. Okay, this guy is x plus 4, minus 4 plus 3. Right? Minus 4 plus 3. Okay, so that makes my common denominator kind of easy. This guy plus this guy equals this guy. X minus 4, x plus 3, and I'm going to be lazy. Can I do this?
To write it on the bottom.
No.
Yeah, we don't really.
You don't really need to write it on the bottom. I'm going to be lazy and just write it on one of the bottoms because the other two bottoms are going to be the same. So negative 14, negative 1, positive 2. What he needs, what he needs, what he needs. Okay. What's a negative 14 need? 1 or nothing. Negative 1 needs x plus 3. 2 needs x minus 4. Bottom's gone. Okay.
Yes, you can, Jacob.
Negative 14 minus x minus 3 equals
Negative.
2x minus 8. Okay. This is going to be negative x minus 17. I'm just going to put that at the top. If I combine those. Okay. Then what shall we do?
Add the 17.
Add the 17.
Add
Add the 8.
the
Add the
x. I'm going to add the x. And I'm going to add the 8 plus 8. Negative 9 equals 3x and x equals negative 3.
Yay. Done.
No.
Can we be done yet?
X can't be negative 3.
Oh, wait.
Because it'll be 0 on the bottom.
Oh, wait. Can x be negative 3? X cannot be negative 3. And what else can x not be?
Positive 4.
Positive 4. So, no solutions. I was waiting for that one. That's why you should do it first, like before you answer the problem. We didn't on that one. I was just waiting to see if anybody caught it.
Liar.
Lauren did.
Liar.
What?
Liar.
We probably would have just trucked right along.
Yeah.
She would never-
I didn't purposely do that actually, but I caught it at the end. I was just waiting. I was just waiting. Just waiting.
Redhead.
All right, ready?
Like
Absolute value. What's the rule with absolute value? Part A.
Get everything away.
Get everything away. Move the
X can't equal 0.
7
A
first.
negative number, I should say. X
What you
cannot
talking about?
equal a negative number.
The absolute value can't be a negative number.
So it's
Yeah, so-
0.
Just wait. So we've got 2 absolute value. 3x minus 4 is equal to negative 2. And then we divide by 2
you mean just
and we get
It's
absolute value. Hold on.
Positive 2.
Oh, it's positive 2. You're right. Oh, I was getting too excited. Dang it. Because then we couldn't do the problem. Darn it. Absolute value. 3x minus 4 equals 1. Now I have to do my 2 cases. Boo. 1, 2.
3.
First case.
4.
3x minus 4 equals 1. Then,
what you mean?
Negative 3x plus 4.
negative 3x plus 4 equals 1. Or 3x minus 4 equals negative 1. Either way. Whatever you want to do. I'm going to add the 4. So 3x equals 5 and x equals
5/3.
5/3.
Sounds
That'll do it. That'll do it. If I subtract the 4, negative 3x equals negative 3, and x equals 1. There you go. Two
So
answers.
if you get a negative number.
Two answers. Now, here's the deal. What I was trying to do is I was trying to make this a negative 2, and if at this point we got 3x minus 4 equals negative 1,
It's no solution.
no solutions, right? Because you can't have an absolute value be equal to a negative number.
Wait, just
Yeah.
just if 1 equals a negative, it's no solution.
No. If this guy originally is set equal to a negative number, then there's no solutions. Got it?
And that goes down on our note card.
Sure. This guy, we've got like 2 absolute values, which means we have 4 cases, but we really only have 2 cases, right? Okay? Because the other 2 cases end up being the same as the third and fourth, right?
All negative and all positive.
Okay, now hold on.
All positive,
If
one side.
all positive is the same thing as all negative,
You can just divide it.
right? So we do all positive, and then we do one side negative, right? Whichever side you want to be negative. So here's the all positive. 3y plus 5 equals y plus 1, right? Let's do that one. Then which side would you like to make negative?
Right side.
I want to make the right side negative.
The left.
No, because then my y's are going to be positive, right?
So,
Sure.
Oh, there are ones.
Like, and everything's going to be on the left. Whatever. Okay, there's that. All right. On the left, minus y. Minus 5.
that was more of an experience.
So 2y equals negative 4, and y is
Negative 2.
negative 2. Done. Okay. On the right, plus y, minus 5, minus 5. 4y equals negative 6, and y equals negative 6 over 4, which is negative
3.
3 halves if you divide. Yeah? 6 over 4 is 3 halves.
The 5/3 compromise.
Yeah?
But.
How about that? How about that?
That's gonna do it for the day.
Okay, let's do 24 and then we'll stop.
I am.
Then we'll have all the story problems for tomorrow. Just about.
Right.
Boo. 24. Whew. 24 is a hard one. Maybe. I don't know. What should we do first?
Why is that?
Minus 2. So I've got m, the square root of m plus 18 equals m minus 2. Then what?
You have to square root.
I have to square it. But if I square it, that means I have to
Talking about batteries.
Square at the other.
square the right side, which means I have to
No.
Take it times itself.
take it times itself, which means I have to FOIL. Yeah. M minus 2 times m minus 2 is m squared.
Minus
minus
4.
4m if I put them together, plus 4, right? If you need to do the middle piece, like multiply them off to the side, but that's m squared minus 4m plus 4, yeah? And off over here is m plus 18. Now what shall we do?
Can we move everything?
Can we bump this over there? 0 equals m squared. Minus
3 and
5m
But
Yeah, because you
yeah,
subtract
yeah.
minus 18 plus 4 is minus 14. Yeah? Yeah? Minus m minus 18.
Even more.
Yeah. M minus 7, m plus 2. But then I have,
M equals 7.
and m equals
Negative 2.
negative 2. Whoa. Oofda.
My head hurts.
Your head hurts? Okay. Now this one is actually not that bad, I don't think.
We're not doing it.
Maybe.
I got 2.
I don't know. I don't know. Okay, what should we move first?
Subtract the 6 over.
Minus 6, minus 6.
I know where
I said we're going to get done with 24. You're just
you like that.
crazy.
Oh, it has a part B in it.
Yes, child. Come on. Equals
4.
Four.
Negative 4.
divide by negative 4. Divide by negative 4. The cubic root of 2x minus 5 equals negative 1. Now what?
Cube them.
I cube it. What is negative 1 cubed? Is it positive 1 or negative 1?
It's negative 1. 'cause
You're
you
right.
subtract.
It is negative 1.
Negatory.
And now we just do all the math, right? Okay. Add the 5. 2x equals 4 and x equals 2. X equals
Did you
2.
guys see that El Toro's going out of
X
business?
equals 2. I did see that.
Amigos?
El Toro, the one out north.
Oh,
Right.
of course they are. My mom keeps them.
What's
Yeah, I
an
don't
El
know.
Toro?
What?
They're there's El Puerto. What's El Toro?
El Toro's out by like the jewelry store and the like by Maurice's,
It's in
where the
Hawaii.
new Islands Cookies is, like along that little strip.
Yeah.
Or she said
By Walmart.
Shoe Sensations.
Wait, there's a new island cookies.
By Taco Bell.
No, they
Yes.
just moved,
And
right?
They moved, like they moved out north.
They're not down
All right, bye people watching this video.
I hate that. I like that.